well.
Yeah, okay.
How do
Yeah,
you feel?
yeah. I congratulate Econs
Thank
for
you.
organizing such a wonderful conference and summit,
Thank you,
which
sir.
is need of the day. So where a holistic approach and need-based approach. What are the issues and challenges in the present education system to add value to the education system, so that the young generation of this country and across the globe, they can build the value-based education system, and they are the future generations of this country and globe, and they'll protect themselves. They'll also protect the future generations of this globe. My congratulations to Econs team. I wish you all the best.
Any constructive suggestions?
Yeah, as I told, so a holistic approach is required for the value education system. It is not just the, whatever the academics in terms of the books. So you need to, have a holistic approach in terms of learning the academics, learning sports and games, learning, regulating ourselves in terms of, stress management, strain management, yoga and meditation. All kinds of dimensions have to be touched upon to make a student a complete personality. So which is very much essential for the individual level and also for the national level. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a
Thank you
lot.
so much.